What's good, guys? So today is Tuesday, and this is Tuesday morning. I took one trade this early this morning. Was it early this morning or yesterday? Because I left the order open since yesterday. Because yesterday was Monday, and the trade uh, turned out to be a loss. Just went straight to my stop loss and locked me out. I told you last week that I'm only going to be trading for once for this week. For now, I'm at break even for this month because I managed to make a profit of 1 hour last week, so I lost another 1 hour yesterday. So that makes me to be at break even for this month. But next week, I told you that I'm only going to be trading for once next week. So that means next week trade is going to determine maybe I'm going to end this month in profit or in loss. So that is for that. So without wasting any time, let me just dive into the chart and show you what the trade looks like. All right, guys. So this is the trade, and the trade was on UJ, and this is on 1 hour time frame. So I took the trade around here, but the trade just went straight to my stop loss and kicked me out of the trade. So I can't say if there's any mistake here, but what I know was that I followed my plan because I was anticipating of price bouncing back from this fair value gap. In fact, in fashion fair value gap, I was expecting price to bounce back from there. The only thing I can say that makes this trade not to play out was if I go to daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, you can see the bigger picture around here that this is something like a resistance. So the trade is just managing to bounce back from there. But I capitalized of taking a short move. That was the reason why I decided to just take this small move, just like scalping. But anyways, it turned out to be a loss. But once I see this other block right here, and I saw this sweep liquidity sweep right here, so that makes me to give me the confidence to just take this small move right here. And On the 15-minute time frame, so right on the 15-minute time frame, you can see this market structure shift and something like a breaker block. So that gives me the confidence to just try to um, capitalize on the trade on the setup. But anyways, it turned out to be a loss. Whether I make a mistake there, whether I made a mistake there or not, that doesn't matter anymore. But talking about taking another trade this week, I don't think so. So I think this is where I'm going to um, call it for a week for just one trade and one loss. So next week I'm going to, because next week is going to be Christmas period. Maybe if I see any setup next week, I'm just going to take one setup. That's all. So that is for that. Maybe I should go back to face camera. Alright, guys, so next week I'm going to call it a week for now. So I'm going to see you next week. I pray next week is going to be better. Next week is going to determine whether I'm going to end this December month in profit or not. But if I do not see any trade, that means this month is going to be at break even. I'm only going to take one trade next week, which is last week of December, and if the trade turns out to be a win, so that means I'm going to be ending this month in profit. But if it is not, so that means I'm going to be ending this month in loss. So that is for that. And talking about growing my channel, talking about life experience, I've been facing a lot lately, and it's crazy to the extent that I can't just come online to come and talk about it. If you notice, you can see that my location have changed, and a lot has happened. And me saying this is just for a reminder, like a diary, for me to come back here maybe a couple of years to this time to see how far I've gone, so to see how progress I am. So that is just it, because a lot have happened. And believe me, you have lost my job, and I have nothing that I'm doing for now, but I pray that and I believe that everything is going to be alright. So that's just it. So a lot have happened lately, and I know that I'm going to come out stronger and stronger. So that's just it. So maybe I'm going to talk about it more in another video, but for now let me just leave it that way. So I'm going to see you next week, and next week is going to be better. So I realized that my subscribers have stuck at 43 subscribers since. So, and if you are here watching this video and if you have not subscribed, so and you are enjoying the process and the journey, please do me a favor and smash the subscribe button. So I'm going to see you next week, and I promise, since I have a little time, or if peradventure I manage to get another job, maybe it's going to take away my time, but for now I still have a lot of time to make a lot of videos. But the problem is just motivation. So I kind of feel like I'm lazy, just something like that, just to pick up a camera and talk and make videos. So I think I'm going to work on that. So since I have a little bit of time now, since I don't have any other job that I'm doing for now, so I still have my full time. So I'm going to try to make a lot of video for you guys, and I promise that I'm going to make a better video for you guys. So that's just it. So let me see you in the next clip. I don't want the video to be long, so let me see you in the next week, and that clip is going to be next week. Just let me see you next week, guys. So that's it. So peace out.